Welcome to the Presentation Shortcuts mini-series. We talk about 5 building blocks for your presentation, and we start with the most important element of any presentation: pictures. Why? Because pictures simply say more than 1,000 words. Not in every case. Pictures don't work per se. They work only under one condition: if they have enough space. Pictures need space. Imagine your audience driving past a billboard. Either they immediately recognize what it's about, or your content just passes by. That's why you have to make it catchy. That's what pictures can do. And if they don't use them. Let's look at this business example. The key point is the birth rate. And the attempt is to illustrate it with some cute pictures. The only problem is, the pictures and the background are rather distractive instead of helping to understand the message faster. How could this look different? First, remove the background. Already better. If you have images with a white background and can't make them transparent, then make the slide background white as well. It looks much more in harmony. Then, why 4 pictures? 1 picture is perfectly enough to make the point. Now, if it's in a sharp picture, all the better. People always look at the picture first, not the text. And most of us are used to reading from left to right. So having the picture on the left makes reading easier. With the eyedropper tool, you can pick any color from the image to highlight your text. You see the difference? You could even go one step further. You look at the baby first, but instantly your eye gaze follows the hand. Personally, I'd skip the text and say, did you know that the global birth rate is just 1% per year? It's not just about using any picture. It's about using pictures that best fit your message. As with this example. Of course, the images somehow fit the topic of promotion madness, but do they fit best? The whole slide appears very distracting and abstract. Much better to have a real picture that emphasizes the point. The irony of the picture makes the point even stronger. Or you can take a completely different picture. Here, for example, you could address how many advertising messages we read on our smartphones every day. It's worth looking for good and exciting pictures. And yes, this can take a while. What is important is not only that you have a few good images that fit your message, but also that these images match together. A good presentation follows a consistent visual world or style. Let's say your presentation has these 3 sections. The images fit the respective message, but they do not match each other. They are not in harmony. If you choose this picture as a starting point, then look for pictures that are similar. Like these pictures, for example. Making them black and white is even better as it matches the color of the first picture. You can also decide to go with this style. Then you search for images with a similar style, like these. If these 3 images represent 3 different chapters in your presentation, you can go one level further and use the background colors as colors for the different chapter slides. If you are as far as this, you are already at a very high level. That's it for pictures. In the next video, we will cover text. Stay tuned and don't miss it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to the channel, because the world deserves better presentations.